Ladies and gentlemen, this is Pineapple Express. Okay, all right. There's Chris. Okay, so he starts off with some gin. Okay, beautiful. Get that in there. Come behind that gin with some sweet vermouth. Yes, sir. Love it. All right. Follow that up with some pineapple infused Campari. He can tell you at the end like how he did this. Okay, I wish I had done that at some point. Okay, and then he has some coconut CBD oil. Okay. Completely legal here in the Golden State. There's no THC in that, so don't jump to conclusions, all right? Get some ice in that bad boy and he stirs, all right? Different angles, okay? Different angles of cuteness of Chris. Okay, put an ice cube in there. We pour in our mix. Ah, look at it. Look delicious. God, I love Negronis. Okay, get a little orange. Express yourself. Okay, get that around the glass. Okay, those nice aromas, the oils. Okay, put a little garnish on side. You see what I'm saying? Okay. And there you have it. The what?
The Pineapple Express.
Exactly. Marijuana enthusiasts everywhere familiar with that film. Okay. It's a stoner film. All right. So how'd you come up with this other than the weed?
So January 1st, right? We've gone through the weed renaissance now officially.
Yes,
congratulations.
Recreational in California. Although there's no THC in here, so YouTube don't flag anything. This is completely legal. Even in Is CBD oil legal?
CBD oil is 100%
we're not
safe and legal.
No, not in California. We're talking about in other states.
I don't know.
Probably not. Jeff Sessions.
California, best state.
Anyway, so go ahead.
Yeah, so we wanted to keep cocktails recreational, right? So we have CBD oil that's infused with coconut. Honest Hemp Company. Great company. Check them out.
Okay.
Pineapple infused Campari.
Okay.
Sweet vermouth.
How'd you infuse this, by the way?
So whole pineapple, 2 liters of Campari.
Just let it
chop, let it sit for 48 hours. Strain.
Okay. And this is?
Sweet vermouth. Coqui Torino, delicious stuff. My favorite gin in the world, Sipsmith, London Dry style. So this is basically a pineapple and CBD Negroni.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Boy, that's right up my alley. Jesus Christ. Once you say Negroni, okay, I get a little, turned on. You like that, girls? Decide look what they turned on. Oh, sorry. Go back to you. What'd you taste?
Oh, man. So you get the CBD oil, like, right up front.
Dude, I was flirting. Go ahead.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Here, we'll have one more of these.
No. Go ahead. Okay, so
you got CBD oil right up on the front, which has, again, a little bit of coconut flavor. And it finishes with that pineapple bitterness. And then, like, right in the middle, you get the gin, the botanically driven gin. It's like a Negroni just on steroids, you know what I mean?
Awesome.
You're gonna feel nice after 3 or 4 of these. Body.
Boy, that burn your soul, but I love it. Okay, that was my drink. Anyway, look here. You do understand, guys like Chris, mixologists like him, these are gourmet chefs just in the cocktail realm, you see? So you gotta understand that. So you actually watching, what's my boy with on CNN? Skinny guy.
Bourdain?
Yes.
Bourdain.
Yes, Anthony Bourdain, okay, of cocktails, okay? Guy Fury.
No.
Guy Fury?
No.
Yes.
No, not Guy.
Got the same hair as Guy Fury. Guy Fury.
Same hair underneath his hat. You want to try my donkey sauce cocktail? We got it.
No.
We got it.
No, Guy Fury, okay? Jesus Christ, Guy Fury ain't coming here no more. Guy, I'm joking. You look cute with your little blonde spikes. All right? Seriously, if I was into that. Okay, anyway.
Oh my God.
Okay, y'all go follow Chris.
Have some of this.
Y'all go follow Chris on Instagram, okay? It's Chris I Am, right?
Chris I Am.
Chris I Am, okay? That's a tongue twister, boy. Anyway, stay tipsy.